Introducing the Aqua One, the phone that's redefining the way parents connect with their children's digital world. 3 times a day, the Aqua One phone gently pauses for well-being checks. Developed by clinical child psychologists, these checks are a bridge to understanding your child's social and emotional health. As a parent, you receive these insights in real time with expert tips tailored to each response. Experience unbreakable supervision. Every text, every search, every comment, every like, every swipe, mirrored from your child's phone to your dashboard. Absolute transparency, absolute peace of mind. And with always-on GPS, you'll know your child's location, always. It's not just about safety, it's about being there, wherever they are. Our intuitive dashboard lets you easily navigate through your child's phone activities, save important moments, review them anytime. Staying connected has never been simpler. And with detailed usage stats, you get a comprehensive view of how your child engages with their digital world. Aqua One is more than a phone. It's a commitment to your child's well-being in the digital age. Because being a parent is about guiding, not just guarding. Join the Aqua One family today. Connect, protect, and understand, all in one touch. The Aqua One by Cyberdive, because each swipe tells a story. Learn more at cyberdive.co.